Okay, children, in this second video, I would like to explain the fourth question. What makes Jack feel caught in an ugly middle position? Actually, the position of Jack was very typical. Every day for the last 2 years, he was telling the story in the evening every day to his daughter Jo and Saturday at noon time to make her sleep. Now, here we find that Joe is creating a lot of problem to Jack. Jack's wife and mother of Joe, she is already working downstairs. वो नीचे काम कर रही है. She is shifting the furniture. She is also painting the furniture, and she is pregnant for the 6 months. So in this period, actually, she needs the help of someone. She needs the help of her husband. But this girl is not going to sleep. She creates a problem for Jack, asking a number of questions, then to change the end of the story. So that way Jack is in a typical problem. If he leaves the daughter, you see, unanswered, then he is going to do injustice for the child, because after all, she is his daughter and he must take care of her. He must satisfy her with all her questions. And on the other hand, he also wants to help his wife, who is working downstairs on the down floor, and you see, painting the furniture, shifting it, and at this stage she needs rest. So Jack is in a very, you see, haphazard state. Jack is in a very difficult situation. How to come across, how to solve this problem, and he tries his best to pacify his daughter, as well as he also wants to go down after she sleeps and to help his wife. So that is the problem. Now, fifth question. What is your instance regarding the two endings to Roger Kang story? Now, this question can be asked the way you like. Now, regarding the ending of the story, whether the story must be ended as advised by Joe, that Wizard hits mummy back because she did a bad thing by changing the Roger Skunk's smell again and making him unhappy. लेकिन रोजर कंग जो है, he can remain friendless but not without mother. He loves his mother more than most. ये भी एक समस्या है उसके सामने कि he is very obedient to his mother. और यहाँ पर जैक जो है अगर स्टोरी को चेंज कर रहा है तो इसमें जो है दैट विल बी द इंसल्ट ऑफ ऑल द मदर्स. सो इट इज़ अप टू यू. अगर तुम स्टोरी का एंड जो है, इफ़ यू वांट टू राइट द वे जो वांट्स, क्योंकि आफ्टर ऑल चिल्ड्रन दे हैव देयर ओन डिजायर्स, दे हैव देयर ओन एम्बिशंस, एंड रोजर स्कंक बीइंग ए वेरी स्मॉल चाइल्ड, how you see his mother makes him so sad and deprives him all the pleasure of playing with his companions. So that way she is at the fault. So you can, whenever you are writing the answer, you should justify it. It is just like a debate. You have to prove it which way you want to end your answer. Now the last question is, why is an adult perspective on life different from that of a child's? Now you see, there is a lot of difference in the perception of a child and the adult, because adults, they think about the life in their own way, whereas children, they want freedom, they want the life in a different way. Now this is also because of the generation gap. You see, children, they don't want to live in confinement. They don't want that the rules and regulations must be imposed upon them. They want freedom in their life. they want to enjoy the life in their own way. So that way, you see, the mother was at fault because Roger Skunk actually he wanted to play with his companions, he wanted to lead a happy life, all these things. So and she was also right in her way because mother actually she loved and liked how she you see embrace him, how she kiss him when she goes the wizard and gets back him in the same smell, foul smell, because conchs generally smell foul. So now here the difference between adults and children, that is different. Joe thinks in a different way. She takes favor of Roger Skunk, who is the hero of Joe. And Jack, the father of Joe, he takes this perspective in a different way. वो इसको एक अलग वे में लेता है. He defends mother. वो समझता है कि mother knows very well which is good and which is bad for her children. So I am sure that you have understood all these questions and their answers.